Hi everyone! In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create Leaflet with Canva. It's very easy and it doesn't matter whether you have Canva Pro account or the free account, you will be able to follow this tutorial either way. First things first, of course, you're going to want to log in into your Canva account. If you haven't had one at all, you can just create one. It's free and it's very easy to make. Just go to canva.com and then do the sign in or the sign up process. Next, we're going to want to go to this part right here, which is a search box, and you're going to search for a leaflet. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of templates that you can play around with. You can actually start everything from scratch by clicking this create a design button, and then you'll be able to start with just a blank canvas. But if you would like to make things easier, you can just start with the templates that they have. So you can see that they have several leaflet templates. They have the one with multiple pages like this one. They also have the one-page leaflet like this one. You can choose from either of this design and make them your own. But please do not use the original design as it is. Make sure that you change maybe the layout a little bit or the color palette, because if you're using this exactly as it is, it's sort of just the same, like you are stealing other people's idea. So please refrain from doing that. I really do advise you to just change it according to your own style or your own taste. Alright, so here I'm just looking around and trying to choose on which one I want to use as my template base. I really like this one. This is very simple, and this is a one-page template, but they do have the front and the back part. And this one's right here is the one that you can actually fold it. Again, you can just choose whichever template according to your own need. I think I'm going to be using one that can be folded, just so that I can show you more features that you can use in order to make your design better and easier. So let's start with this one right here. This one might look like it is just a one-page leaflet, but with the size, I believe that this is the one that you can actually fold into 3 parts. So I'm going to try and start with this one. Now, before you start customizing, you'll be able to choose the size of your leaflet as well as the paper type, because I believe that it's going to affect the quality of your design. So make sure you choose this part. I'm just going to skip it for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and click customize this template. Alright, so here we are. This is how it looks like. You can see that even though this looks like a whole one bunch of picture, it actually has several elements that you can play around with. Now, whenever I try to design something, especially if I'm going to create one big design that are going to be divided later on, I always create my guideline first. So in order to do that, we can go ahead and click this file button, and then you want to go to the settings. Now we got the add guides option, and through here you'll be able to create the guide as much as you want or as custom as you want. For example, here we got the 3x3 grid, but let's say that you want the one with 3 columns. You can just click here, but you see that when you click on the one with 3 columns, it has this gap in between the column, and I usually don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this custom sections here, and here you'll be able to create your margin. You can settings on your gap, you can also settings on your column. So I'm going to change this to 3, and for the gap I'm going to just remove it to 0, and you can do the same thing with the rows option, but we're just going to focus on the column sections now. So I'm going to go ahead and click add gap. Now what it does is that I now know where the folds are going to be. So if this is going to be a 3-section, which means that it's not going to be a whole picture like this one. I don't want people to be confused about all of the 3-section. So let's try and change how this looks like. So currently I have a big pictures right here. I think there's nothing wrong with this one. I'm just going to adjust it so that I can add some information box on each column. So I am going to make this one smaller, probably putting it right here, and I want to put the second one on top here. I'm just going to delete this text for now, and I'm going to use this brown one as my information background, like so, and maybe the green one as another information background. I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, so now that we got our element put in place, I'm just going to go ahead and add the headline text. I'm going to put it in the middle like so. In order to add your text box, you can go to the text sections right here. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to find a lot of text combination that you can use for your leaflet. I'm going to be using this candle one today. I'm just going to make it a tad smaller. So since this is a font combination, it comes with different fonts. If let's say you like just one of the fonts, you can go ahead and ungroup this, click on the font that you don't like, and you can change it by clicking on this font selections right here. And if you already know the name of the font that you like, you can also just type it out up here and it will give you the font that you want. I'm alright with this. I also like the color, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the color palette of this leaflet. So it's currently green and brown. I'm going to change this one to exact same color with this one, and I can see it by clicking on this text color. I can see the hex code and I can see the color in it. But usually if you already insert some element into your design, the color palette is going to be automatically added into the color sections right here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to the yellow as well as this one. And I'm also going to lower the opacity so that the yellow is not too solid, like so. So that looks really nice. And I can see that I have this color palette here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Now that you know how to add your color, how to move around your element, and how to add your text, you can just arrange it however you want it to be. If you would like to add more elements like these boxes right here, or maybe this dot stuff right here, you can go to the element section and search for the one that you need. For example, you need maybe smoke. You can just write smoke and it's going to give you all the graphic that you'll be able to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and rearrange my leaflet for now, and I'm going to get back once I'm done. Alright, so this is what it currently looks like. I've added some text. I didn't really change the content of the text from the first leaflet, but you have to make sure that you do insert your own information. So we got the headlines, we got the small text, and I also added an Instagram symbol as well as the name of the Instagram, as well as the contact information. Now for this picture, I also got it from Canva because you can actually find a bunch of pictures that you can use for your design. Just go to the element section, search for a picture that you want. I search for a candle and then go to the photo section. And here you'll be able to find pictures that you'll be able to use. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and download your design and print it and use it however you want to use it. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a leaflet with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.